marriage is sacred. Ito po ay partnership. So sa mga trabaho sa bahay, ngayon Joed, meron na rin mga panlalaki na washing machine. Yung mga detergent powder natin, Ariel. What I mean is that kapag kayo nagsasama na, napakahalagang bagay na matutunan nyo na kayo ay magka-partner.
During ba dati nung college tayo, lagi ko na sinasabi sa'yo, uy, may assignment pala. Pakopya naman. Tapos ngayon, katulad ng sinabi ni Pastor, iba na yung pag-uusapan natin. Uy, may labada pala. Sige, maglaba ka na. Dati groupmate lang kita nung sa school, pero ngayon, katuwang na kita sa buhay.
Our love story of more than 7 years is never a fairy tale. But one thing is similar that makes me still think I'm a Disney princess. You being my knight in shining armor for so many times, I can no longer count.
All these years, you have been the compass that have guided me. And I can't thank you enough for being a blessing in my life.
And in those times, you have saved my life in ways I didn't know possible.
I wasn't searching, walking through.
We've been through a lot and you stayed. Sa tuwing maliligaw ako, hilahin mo ako pabalik. Kahit na nakakapagod.
Thank you for being strong for us during our loneliest, for having the courage to bounce back. Thank you for choosing to be better.
I don't wanna walk it alone. Wherever we go,
Sabi, so help me Thailand.
Welcome. Gamitin niyo yan, gamitin niyo. Gamitin niyo mabuti, ha? Gamitin niyo yan.
Naniligaw pa sa akin. Yun, yung perfume na yan.
Be, alam nyo na. Kaya pala.
Johnson daw! Pampini, strong.
Uy!
Hindi ako marunong magkapit na ito.
Kapakabit tayo kay Leslie mamaya.
feels like
Sobrang ganda ng kulong na usapin.
Tapang.
with you I can see.
From now on, you will no longer suffer from nightmares. Because I am always beside you to wake you up.
Kapag nagigising ako na maaga at katabi kita, pagmamasdan ko yung mukha mo.
And from now on, you will always smile upon waking up, seeing how beautiful your wife is.
And in those moments, I would just smile and tell to myself, this is home. This is home.
As long as your hand's here in mine, wherever we go, I don't know where it's leading.
Lagi mong iingatan at mamahalin si AC. Huwag mong pababayaan.
Okay.
Yun lang hiling ko sa'yo. Okay?
Okay. Basic.
Dok, anak, God bless ha. Magbabait lagi.
Papa, thank you kasi inaalagaan niyo kami lahat. Patuloy mong alagaan si Mama kasi may sariling pamilya na rin kami. Maging happy kayo palagi. Okay? Samahan mo mag-exercise. Hindi lang dahil may kasal, magpapapayat. Tuloy ang exercise, ha?
Ready na ba kayo? Ayun. Ito ay hindi ko lang wedding, kundi wedding din ng family natin sa family nila John.
Oh, it feels like home. Wherever we go now, I know where it's leading. 'Cause all that you are, it's all that I need. And a light in the window, an open door waiting. I couldn't plan it, but now I'm believing.
lastly, I vow to always choose you every day.
I vow to put all my efforts into strengthening our marriage and giving you the best version of myself. And from now on, you will always feel the love of Christ through me, through highs and lows. I love you.
From now on, love, it will always be us. Ikaw at ako, tayong dalawa. Pipiliin natin ang isa't isa araw-araw. Mahal na mahal kita.